Hey guys, welcome to another Clean With Me video. My house is messy yet once again, and I really needed the motivation to get it clean. So here we are. I don't know how it keeps getting into this state. I mean, it's only me and my dog who live here, but I don't know what he does when I'm not here. Could be him. If you need some cleaning motivation today, then I hope this does the trick for you. All right, let's get started.
Who made this mess, huh? You? Did you make it? It's not me. Nope. The house is out of control. It's out of control right now. I'm gonna give this dog a treat. Because he's had to live in this mess. It's not his fault. I'm sorry that this has been your life this week. This is my peace offering. Goodbye.
Time for a Clean With Me video. I have been having way too much fun and neglecting all household duties. The place is a straight up hot gangsta mess. It's 1 o'clock and I feel good today, so I feel like I have the energy to clean. So I'm gonna strike while I can and see how much I can get done. I'm gonna just clean, and then I have things I need to do a deeper cleaning on, but just wanna get it to a presentable place where I could actually have someone walk in the door other than myself. Use this as motivation. If your house is a mess, I always like to start in the kitchen, and I always like to start with my dishes. Oh, and trash. Actually, I'm gonna gather all the trash first and then do my dishes. Let's go. I grew up in a messy house. I never had a cleaning routine or really even house chores growing up. My parents both worked 12 to 16-hour days, and I was a total latchkey kid. So I'm learning as time goes about cleaning routines, and it's okay to not be perfect. This is maybe, I don't know, 2 days worth of dishes. Cooking Samson's food in bulk, cooking my food, chopping veggies. Oh my God. Okay, let's get started and see how long it takes. Is it just me, or is there something extremely satisfying about watching someone do their dishes on turbo speed? Let me know in the comments below if there is something supremely satisfying about this, because when I watch Clean With Me videos, I love watching people do their dishes on turbo speed. Maybe because it's a dream of mine to be able to do dishes this fast.
Dishes make me sweat. Oh my God. I think it's the hot water. Whew.
That took 16 minutes. I just know though that I have leftover containers in the fridge that I'll probably have to, no, maybe not, no. Or stuff in the living room, yep. A few more little things to wash. Dishes are done. Took less than 20 minutes, and gonna clean the stovetop, the countertop, let the dishes dry, and then move on to the living room. So a few more things in the kitchen. Oh, and clean out the fridge. Okay, let's keep it going. On a roll, on a roll. We're on a roll. Yeah, it's already looking better, yay. I do a lot of cooking at home. My 3 meals a day are usually cooked here at home, and then I've started cooking Samson's food as well. But even still, there is going to be some food waste, and it's always good to do a clean out of the fridge. This vintage stove I absolutely love. I can only get it so clean. This thing is probably 60 years old, not exaggerating. I didn't even know I could take the knobs off until this past year. There's a woman I follow on Instagram, I think she's called Go Clean Co, and she was taking the knobs off her stove, and it blew my mind. I'm really working on taking the guilt or shame or making having a messy house be a moral issue. I spent so many years just beating myself up because my house was always messy, and it does feel amazing to have a clean home, which is why I'm on this journey of living with less. I know that I have too much stuff in a small space. That's one part of the problem. The other part is a lack of organization. Not every item has a home. So for the things that I want to keep, I want to make sure that everything is housed. And then the third problem is I don't have regular cleaning routines that I stick to. And that is going to be a new habit that I have to cultivate, just like exercising or going to the gym or any other new healthy habit. So cleaning routines are something I'm working on. I have a nightly routine I've been doing for the kitchen that I totally slacked on this week. And if the dishes don't get done, everything kind of just spirals out of control. And I could say the opposite is also true. If you're feeling overwhelmed or you're sitting in a super messy house right now and you don't have any motivation to clean, just get up and do your dishes. If you at least get your dishes done, you will start to feel better, and it will spiral in a new positive direction and get that motivation ball rolling, where you'll then want to continue cleaning the rest of your house.
Kitchen's done. That took 90 minutes altogether. Do I want to do the living room or the bathroom next? Yeah, kind of want to do the living room. Oh Lord, oh my God, no, I'll do the bathroom.
Even with my house getting to this level of messiness, the kitchen and the bathroom are two of the easier rooms to clean now that I've decluttered both of those rooms, because every single item has a home. So it's really about tidying things up at this point and putting things back in their place, and then doing some just real basic cleaning of the toilet, the bathtub, and wiping off the countertops.
Been cleaning for 2 hours and haven't had a break, which is fine. But so far I've gotten the kitchen and bathroom done. Time for the living room and the bedroom. And then taking out the trash. Okay. This should be not too difficult. It's mostly clothes, shoes, trash. Bed needs to be made. And then I have a box of like miscellaneous stuff that I need to sort through, and I'll do that another time. Okay, on to the living room.
The living room will probably be my next room to tackle for decluttering. It's kind of a little bit of a dumping ground. I have a few things that definitely need a new home, but I realize that when my house gets to this level of messiness, it's mainly 5 things. 1, trash that just needs to be picked up and thrown away. 2, dishes. 3, laundry that needs to be sorted, put away, or put into the hamper. 4, paper, magazines, things that need to be filed away or thrown away. And the last thing is items that are either housed or unhoused. And again, that falls in line with me getting more organized. The bedroom is the final dumping ground for everything else that has been misplaced in the other rooms. See a lot of shoes laying around, clothing that needs to be put away. Yeah. For some reason, I had moved my nightstand out of that corner. I think I was replacing a plug there, and then I never put it back. I also had my printer out on the floor because I usually keep it in the closet, and after using it, I didn't put it back. I without a doubt need to buy a legit vacuum cleaner. I use this handheld vacuum cleaner, but the amount that my dog sheds, I really need to invest in a quality vacuum cleaner at this point. And a mop. So I've made over my desk, the drawers are cleared out. These are just things I put there temporarily, not to panic, but for the most part during the week, my desk is clean and clear. It doesn't take much to clear it off and make it into a workable surface. Now it's time to take out the trash. So that ended up being 2 full bags worth of trash in my apartment. Oh my God. Those are the dirty dish towels that will be added to laundry to be done on a later date. Okay, I'm done. All right, guys. It's clean. It's clean. This is today's video. I'm done. And that took almost 4 hours. So I'm glad to be finished. It's like 6 o'clock now. I took a short break to get some food, but other than that, I really worked nonstop. So the dishes took some time. Oh my God, yeah. So I live in a 1-bedroom and that took me 4 hours. Am I doing something wrong? I don't know. I did clean the kitchen, the bathroom, the living room, the bedroom. I have 2 bags of trash and a bunch of things to do as returns to Amazon, Zara, Target. Yeah. So it was a success. I need a clean house in order to really function and work. And I'm happy with how things are looking in here now. So thank you for helping me clean my apartment. I wouldn't do it without you guys. I would just live in squalor. I will be back with another video very soon. Such a treat. All right, gonna go for a walk. Have a good night, have a good day. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, leave me any cleaning tips. Let me know what I'm missing other than a vacuum cleaner. I know I need a vacuum cleaner. Probably a mop too. I don't own a mop. I don't own a vacuum cleaner. See y'all soon. Bye.